With the document open in Chrome, simply click on the DocuTalk extension. You can change the name. By default, the presentation will start at page 1, but you can change this page. Let's click on Load. Now you're ready to record. Click on the red button. Make your argumentation. Highlight the few points that seem relevant. Click on the green button. Give it a name. Click Save. Now you have a link you can send as is, or you can add the link directly in the document and download it. Let's do that. Now let's see what your recipient will see. It's a document with all the original pages and a clickable link or QR code. Let's click on it. That's what your recipient will see. The pages of your document, your argumentation, and the highlights. Now, your recipient can continue in document mode, reading everything, and once done, can reply. Let's see that. Clicking on the reply button. Once done, we'll click on the green button, get link, give it a name, click Save, and that's it. Your recipient, simply by clicking on the reply button, will send the reply directly in your inbox. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.